got no money on my mind, got no money on my mind, got no money on my mind. I'm so good at pretending.
Hey friends, welcome to my channel or welcome back. My name is Kristen and this is Life Made Simple. Today is an ultimate clean with me and I am transforming my master bedroom more into the master bedroom that I want it to be. I have had this envision of having a dark gray black wall behind our bed and I am finally pulling the plug. I am taking this whole weekend, so this actually is, I want to say this is Saturday afternoon. I have actually had bronchitis for 2 weeks, so I'm up and down, like 1 second I'm in bed for a while and the next second I just get a burst of energy. And I was literally sleeping forever this day, and then I just was like, you know what? I'm done. I'm sick of it. I'm getting up. I'm painting this wall. So I have already painted the ceilings. I will put that card or the movie up in the iCards up in the corner for you guys so you can see that. And then over time I have kind of painted the rest of the room. So it's a lot of unfinished projects, but that's realistic. That's life. It is not a one-stop hurry, get this all done at the same time. I have 2 kids. I have a family. I've been sick, like I said, and it just takes me a long time to do things. So if you like realistic clean with me videos and home projects, you're in the right place. Now this was actually my first time ever really painting with a color this super dark. Our old master bedroom used to be a dark blue, but what I did do this time around is I got it in the, I don't know what you call it, like it was eggshell. I don't know if that's it's called the sheen or whatever. I did it in eggshell because I read with a darker color you want to do something that is not as glossy. That way it doesn't show the imperfections of the wall. And one thing about this house is the previous people, or the many previous people that have lived in this house, they were really rough on it. There's so many holes that need to be patched. There's holes that have been patched, but they patched them poorly. And it's also like a slightly textured wall. Textured walls, I'm so new to them. In Ohio, we did not have textured walls. They're completely flat. They're smooth. And here in Texas, there's just texture beyond texture, and it's just weird to me. So I did an eggshell sheen and it was really weird to paint with. Like it went on really thick, it didn't roll as smoothly, and it was just, it blew my mind. I don't know if that's geeky of me, like, because I get really into this whole home project thing, but you probably are thinking like, okay Kristen, shut up. If you love home projects, DIYs, or affordable like home decor gift guides, I also have a home decor blog, and I will leave that link down below. It's always linked down in all my descriptions. It is something that I love to do. I love all things home decor and decorating and painting. But if you guys are interested in that, I will leave the link down below and go check it out. Comment down below. I am really curious. I want to know if you are like big into YouTube and you love watching it all the time. Who are your favorite people to watch at the moment? Like if they upload a video, you're on top of it, you want to see it. Who is your favorite people that have been putting out some really good videos? I'm always up for watching new people. So comment down below and let me know who your must-have YouTubers are right now. Here I am just quickly taping off this baseboard so I can get like the first 2 coats of white on it. This was still Saturday night, and then I end up going into Sunday morning where I finished painting the baseboards, but I wanted to get a first few coats on before we went to bed because it took so many coats to cover up this off-white, gross, yellowy color. And if you have watched my previous videos, if you ever notice that there is quite a bit of blue tape still in my house because I dislike painting baseboards. I have painted all the baseboards in this house, and there is still some that I started painting probably 6 months ago and I have yet to finish. So like I said, hi, my name is Kristen, and I am the girl that has a billion unfinished home projects, and I start new ones all the time. So if you look closely, you will notice that when my husband pulls this box spring up, that there is a dog under the bed. That's because my dog absolutely sleeps under my bed all the time. One reason he's usually under the bed is because it's thundering or there's a storm outside, which actually this day it had rained almost all day. So he was scared and he was under the bed. But he's kind of made a habit that now at nighttime when we go to bed, I will close the doors and then usually find out that he's under the bed sleeping on the rug. I don't know why. I mean, I provide him with a super nice soft blanket and bed, and he still chooses to sleep under my bed.
This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was crappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That was brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. I don't need to go over old and useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed the first time. I swear my pain's far away, long gone by now. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That was brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We could get back to this, catching up what we missed, or we could just relive that summer night. For all I can, we can spend the firewood till it's end. Nobody's gonna force the morning. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30.
I swear, I have so many cords on my side of the bed, it's ridiculous. I have my phone, my Apple Watch, my iPad, which I use so I can see my oldest daughter because she sometimes needs to go to the bathroom and calls for us, and I can't hear her on the other side of the house. I have the baby monitor, which is just sound for my youngest daughter. I also have... what else do I have? My lamp. And I just plugged in a humidifier because I'm sick. So I have like a bajillion things. Like enough that I have to have a power strip. Like this is ridiculous.
You cry yourself to sleep, and you're colder, much colder. if only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. Don't let them sell you all of their dirt. It all will come back once the tables turn. Bolder, go bolder. Now set your sails on high. And you're stronger, much stronger than they will ever be. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. We're beautiful. So don't go changing. You're perfect as you are, just the way.
There we go. That's the finished, well, semi-finished product. This will still have some work to do. We obviously have to finish painting along these edges and the baseboards. All these have to be white. The doors have to be white. I just hurried and painted this white because I knew I wanted to push the bed back up against the wall. I still have the window ledges that I have to paint white, and then I have to paint inside here, which will be this color over here. But I got all that done. I'm not going to put the curtains back up until I do the windows, and everything's just more organized, and I'm loving it. There's still, we are going to be doing a whole decorate with me type of video, but for now this is what we have. We still have the good old louder in here and baby gate because I don't have room to put it somewhere else right now. But yeah, comment down below if you guys like these types of videos. I do all kinds of home improvement. I have this whole house. I still have tons of things I have to do. And yeah, the one thing that kind of bothers me is that this bed is off-white and those are white. We are actually looking at getting a different bed frame. Maybe, possibly, not sure if I'm going to do it in this house or if I'm going to wait till we move. But I hope you guys like this video. I'm still sorry for my voice. I have bronchitis. I just went to the doctor's again today, and it has been 2 weeks. So I apologize. You'll just have to kind of stick with me through this rough time, and hopefully I hurry and come out of it so I can have my lovely voice back. But please leave a comment down below, like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe if you enjoyed. I will see you in the next one.